welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. The other day I got a DM on Instagram and it is what inspired today's video, which is just going to be an updated hair care routine and what products I used to style my hair and keep it from being frizzy. And I figured I would go ahead and read the DM. I'm not going to mention the person's name in case they don't want it to be mentioned, but if you're the one who DM'd me about this, thank you. It gave me an idea for a video. So the message says, "Hello, I know you do a lot of makeup and hair care videos, however I haven't seen one particularly relating to frizzy hair. I am someone who has really frizzy hair when it's straight and when it's curly, and with prom coming around the corner, I'm really nervous as to how I'm gonna do my hair. Even when I go get my hair professionally done, it still ends up frizzy, and I end up hating it and putting it in a ponytail. I really want to wear my hair straight for prom this year, since my hair has gotten super long, but I'm really worried about the amount of frizz I'm going to have. Nothing I do seems to tame it, and I'm hoping you have some tips." Girl, do I have some tips for you. So now that you have like the background and context for this video, let's just jump in and get started. So all the products that I'm going to be mentioning today are from John Frieda. I have been using John Frieda products since I was probably in middle school, and no, this is not sponsored. A few of the products featured they have sent me like a while ago, but I'm not getting paid or swayed to say something in any way, shape, or form. Like I said, I've been using these products since I was in middle school, and I'm now 25 and still using these products because I absolutely love them. So we're going to start with what I do when I'm in the shower. So for shampoo and conditioner, I was using the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean shampoo and conditioner for a while, and then I switched to the Aussie Clean one, and I featured that in my February favorites, and literally like after that video when I was using it again, it started making my hair really crunchy, and it wasn't because I wasn't washing it out enough or anything like that. I just don't think my hair ended up liking it after such a long period of time. So I went back to my holy grail shampoo that I've been using for years that I've mentioned here on my channel before. It is just the John Frieda Brilliant Brunette shampoo and conditioner. I absolutely love this stuff. What's great about John Frieda is they actually have products that pertain to certain hair colors. They have the Radiant Red one, I think it's Beautiful Blonde, and then the Brilliant Brunette one. And basically this is a multi-tone revealing, color protecting shampoo and conditioner. If you guys don't know, my hair is actually artificially dyed. I do have naturally brown hair. It is usually just a little bit lighter than this. And so to keep my hair vibrant and colored and looking good, I like to use a shampoo that will help that, and that is exactly what this does. So next, I am going to be going into the products that I use, and I will be splitting them into curly hair and straight hair. But starting off with in general, this is a serum. It is the FRIZZY's original serum, and I put this on every time I get out of the shower, no matter what. If I'm drying my hair, if I'm letting it air dry, no matter what, I like to put a little bit of this into my wet hair because it helps with the frizz. It is also a heat protectant if you go and are styling your hair with a curling wand or a straightener or just simply blow drying your hair. So I just put it from like the middle of my ear down, and it definitely seems to help. Another product that comes into play that's just a general product, whether you're straightening it or curling it, is a hairspray, and this is the FRIZZY's Moisture Barrier Firm Hold Hairspray. It is a 24-hour hairspray. Now we are going to move on to when I straighten my hair. So like I said, I start with the serum, and then I will either let my hair air dry overnight and straighten it in the morning, or if I want it straightened right then and there and I've taken a shower, I will use the blow dryer, blow dry it as straight as I can, and then go in with a flat iron. So as you guys can see, my hair is pretty frizzy. It literally looks like I stuck a fork into an outlet, and this is what happens every time I straighten my hair. So to fix that, I am just going to use the John Frieda FRIZZY's Secret Weapon, and let me tell you, if you have not used this product or tried it before, you need to go out and get it. So basically this is just a cream that you put a little drop in your hands, rub them together, and then you pull it through your hair, and it makes it so there is absolutely no frizz whatsoever. So this is the before. As you guys can see, my hair is frizzy, and it literally will just get worse and worse throughout the day if I don't do anything to it. So I'm just going to take a little drop, rub it between my hands, and then I am just going to pull it through my hair. You're not really supposed to go near your roots with it because it can make it oily. You're supposed to focus on the ends, and then I just go along my scalp with any of the extra that's on my hands. As you guys can see, my hair is no longer sticking out, and you can actually put this on throughout the day if needed as well. But my absolute favorite part about this product is that you use it on dry hair. A lot of products, to activate them, you have to have wet or damp hair, which makes it a pain in the butt because if you've done your hair and are having issues, what are you supposed to do? Re-wet it, put a product in, and then go redo your hair again? No. So this is perfect for that. And now we are going to move into curls, and I use these two products. And the first one is a mousse. This is the FRIZZY Curl Reviver Mousse that restores bounce and definition to curls. And basically, I use this if I am going to leave my hair natural, which it is a very rare occurrence if I do, but if I do that, I use this. I even use this when I'm going to be going in with a curling iron and curling my hair because it just helps with the definition and structure of the curls. And basically, all you do is you put a little bit of this in the palm of your hand, rub it together, and scrunch your hair. I like to flip my head upside down and scrunch it that way. And you want to do this after you have towel dried your hair so that it's not soaking wet, but that it's also not super dry. And then if I'm going to be using a curling iron, I will go ahead and use a blow dryer and blow dry those curls with a diffuser, and then go in with a curling iron. Sometimes I will even just leave it as is without going in with a curling iron, but like I said, that's pretty rare because I do not like my natural curls at all. And another curl product I use is this. This is just the FRIZZY's Drape Curls, and you can use this on first day hair or second day hair. It is very similar to a mousse, but it is not going to leave your hair as crunchy. I mean, this honestly doesn't leave my hair that crunchy. Obviously, like with any mousse, you are going to get some crunch, but if you're using this, you don't get that at all. However, you do not get as defined curls with this one. This is what I typically use on my second day hair if I'm going in with a curling iron. I will just spray this on first, go in with my curling wand and curl it. And what's great about this is that you can use it on either wet hair or dry hair. So those are my hair care tips and my routine for how I manage my hair. If you guys would like to see more routine related videos, I will have a playlist linked down below for you guys. I am continuously doing updated skincare, hair care, and other sorts of routines, so be sure to watch those. If you have a routine that you guys would like to see here on my channel, definitely let me know what it is in the comments down below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!